usually does on the car. That he usually does on the car instead of go-kart.
Should we get it?
I can't see from here. You got 15 minutes. I don't want it that long though. Can we cut it down? Here's Teana.
Straight into the bin.
Yeah.
She's too busy looking at the
She's
camera.
flying! Now let go.
Teana, concentrate.
Look at the ground!
Oh,
She's too busy looking.
he's so retarded.
Oh.
Yay! Careful! Look at the
Look
road!
at the camera.
Concentrate, Teana.
Woo! Tiana's first bike ride without training wheels. Well done. Now she's going to shoot. How do I stop? Oh shit, I was recording Marcus. Oh, fuck off.
Where's the water pistols?
Don't, they're cute ones.
Let's go get some.
Alright.